outside. I am preparing for hibernation, just like brown bears. I have plenty of food and my diva to keep me warm and cozy during winter. Do you know what hibernation is? I'll tell you. Blah blah blabina. In winter, when everything is covered with snow and all the food is frozen, brown bears find safe and warm place and go into a deep sleep. Sometimes they sleep all winter. This is known as hibernation. What they do is, just before it gets really cold, they eat huge amount of food. It looks like they like salmon. So they eat and eat and eat and eat and eat. And this allows them to store fat in their bodies for later. Hibernation helps them stay alive during the cold winter months, when all the food is frozen and temperature is low. Bye! Finished all my food. Now let's hibernate. Not yet. It's your turn to make your paper brown bear. Don't forget, you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. See you next time. Blah blah blabina. Blah blah blabina. Blah 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 blah. Wow. blah 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 blah. Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye!